what I wanted to do with this video is just show how you could use a random description just to make your game feel a little bit more, a little bit less linear, if you like. So it's just got a few random items in it. The first thing we need to do that is to import random. So just the same way that we imported time. So we can put a code comment for that too. So with the random library is imported, because that's what we've just done, imported the random library. It's got a little underline there, but it's not been used yet. That's why it's got the underline, because it's just not been used yet. So then I'm going to go down and find my forest, and I'm going to use the forest one to demonstrate how this works. So I'm going to make a list, and my list is called options. With a list, you use these square brackets, and I'm going to put some different tree types in there. So I'll go with oak and pine, and where you can put anything else you like really. Elm is a tree type, beech, and you can have as many of those as you like. You can just keep adding those in, as many tree types as you can think of or that you'd like to put in there. I suppose we could add a maple in there if we're feeling a bit Canadian or American, and that would be fine. So there's my list that's made. So then I need to add it to my print statement. So at the moment it says you are in a deep dark forest. So instead of just deep dark forest, let's add an extra quote mark and a plus, because plus is a concatenator. It just adds text together. And then we can say random dot choice, and the brackets options, options. There we go. So what we've said is you're in a deep dark, and then it's going to make a random choice from the list that we've made here and put it in there. So then we've got another plus, another concatenator. So we're going to stick together the string you are in a deep dark with whatever comes out of the options, and then the string after that, forest, you hear, etc. So that's what we've done. So it now should work. So if we give it a run and see how that works. So the name's Fred again. So here we go, we're in the meadow. So if we go to forest, enter the forest, and it's a beech forest. So if we run that program again, start it up again, it should Fred again. We want to go to the forest, and now it's a pine forest. So it may not seem all that exciting, but you could do other things with this. You could do other things with the description to make it a bit more interesting potentially. So that's how to do a random description.